electricity thief detection. The main objective of this project is to identify the electricity theft because of in the current years more number of people can consume the electricity unauthorized manner. So some unity companies and also government have faced the same issue for that. Okay. Then in our existing system we are used decision tree algorithm, but the main drawback of this algorithm is it not give perfect output. For this accuracy is very low. So to overcome these challenges, this work in our proposed system we are used random forest with the feature engineering concept. And then this is our main project. So this is our files, and then first initial process is pre-processing. In this project we are collecting the data set for some historical record. So this record contain 40,000 record is there. So each and every day our user using consumption level that can be recorded in the historical manner, that it is showed here. Then we have to remove the none value and some pre-processing it can done. After that we have to use some clean data, and then this clean data it can go to the feature engineering concept. Based on this data we have calculating the median, mean, max, sum, min, standard deviation. This is the electricity consumption value, so we have to calculate. Then that data can be stored in the CSV file. After that we have to give the input for this 80 dataset file, and then 0 as the normal user and 1 as the thief user. In this we have to splitting the data set into the training and testing data. We have splitting the ratio is 20%, 80:20 ratio. And then this random forest algorithm we have used. Then after classification this model can be stored in that, and then we have to testing the some test data. Those give the accuracy level is 93%. This is the UI model for our project. At first I can create one account. After creating the account you have to log in. So this is the home page for this, and then this is the model accuracy information for the training accuracy information details showed here. I can testing some data, so I have give input and then predict. In the CSV file contains some collection of data, so whole of the data it can be testing it. So after that the overall this accuracy is 98% is there, and then electricity consumption data, this all the data is there. Okay. I can check individual manner what is the electricity consumption value, and then mean value what is that, and then maximum value, total consumption level, minimum consumption level, and then what is the standard deviation value. So I can give this all the details. After that I can click thief detection. So based on these details you have to automatically predict this type of electricity consumption is thief user or normal user. Okay, thank you.